Asterisk. Welcome back to another exciting episode on Prisha RL. Today, we're taking you inside the stunning Radisson Blu Hotel in Doha, a luxurious 5-star experience that exceeded all our expectations. Thanks to Qatar Airways, we had the chance to stay here after an unexpected flight delay from Lisbon. And let me tell you, this wasn't just any stay. It was pure luxury from the moment we stepped in. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore this amazing hotel together. Asterisk.
यहाँ चाहिँ ग्लास किन राख्नु होम किट सेभिङ किट यहाँ डेन्टल किट सावर किट
First, let's talk about our room, because wow, it was spectacular. As soon as we entered, we were greeted by a spacious lobby area with a comfortable sofa, a large TV, and plenty of room to unwind. The design was modern yet elegant, with every detail carefully thought out. Moving into the bedroom, we found a massive, plush bed, the kind that makes you never want to leave. There was also a cozy sofa, a stylish cupboard, and a dedicated workspace with an iron and table, perfect for business travelers. And the bathroom? Absolute luxury. Not one, but 2 washrooms, each featuring deep bathtubs for the ultimate relaxation. Radisson Blu went above and beyond with the amenities: premium hair shampoo, conditioner, hair cream, a wooden toothbrush, toothpaste, shaving cream, razor blades. Honestly, they had everything. They even provided soft, comfortable bathrobes, making us feel like royalty. This was truly a business class experience, and we couldn't have asked for more.
Hallå. Medverkar där. Hello. The center experience. With Kakala video. Kakala. Stoję tak, że tu nie widzę. Sok.
Now, let's talk about the dining experience, because food lovers, this is where Radisson Blu truly shines. The breakfast spread was incredible, offering a huge variety of options: fresh fruits, crisp vegetables, delicious pastries, and an array of hot dishes. Everything was prepared to perfection. Whether you're craving something light or indulgent, they had it all. And the dining area? Just as impressive. The space was beautifully designed, with plenty of seating arrangements, cozy corners for intimate meals, and larger tables for groups. The ambience was upscale yet welcoming, making every meal feel like a special occasion. If you're someone who appreciates great food in a stunning setting, this hotel will not disappoint.
है नाम हेर त्यहाँ
Of course, no luxury hotel is complete without a breathtaking pool, and Radisson Blu's was no exception. Surrounded by sleek loungers and lush greenery, it looked like the perfect spot to relax under the Doha sun. Unfortunately, due to our tight schedule, we couldn't take a dip, but next time, we're definitely saving some time for it. If you're staying here, don't miss out on this serene escape. Overall, our stay at the Radisson Blu Hotel in Doha was nothing short of extraordinary. From the lavish room to the exquisite dining and top-notch service, every moment felt special. A big thank you to Qatar Airways for arranging the stay. It turned an unexpected travel delay into a memorable luxury experience. If you've ever stayed at Radisson Blu or are planning to, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experiences. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.